Okay, next properties is first shift of inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so the property state that Laplace inverse of f s minus a equal to exponent at Laplace inverse fs. Okay, that's mean if there is the function s minus a, so to apply first shift is equal, the formula is exponent at Laplace inverse fs. That means when you take out exponent at, all the, and then you write as Laplace inverse fs. That means fs means we use the same function of fs minus a, but all the s become s only. Okay, don't worry, we will look at the example. Okay, so first example is Laplace inverse 1 over s minus 4 power 3. Okay, so if you look at that, there is s minus 4. So in our case, so that's mean this will apply first shift because there is s minus constant. Okay, with a is 4. So the formula to apply first shift is you take out exponent at. What is a? 4. Okay. And then Laplace inverse fs. What is fs in this case? This case, the fs is 1 over s power 3. Okay, how do you know that? That means 1 is 1. Okay, 1 is 1, but all the s minus 4 become s only. S minus 4 become s only. So s power 3. Okay. Let me make it better. Okay. Now s power 3. Okay, finish or not yet? Not yet, because Laplace inverse of 1 over s power 3 we do not know yet. We do not know yet. Okay, but so in order to know to find Laplace inverse 1 over s power 3, you must look at the function at the bottom, which is in this case s power 3. What do you think? If the bottom s power, so this must be t power. But t power what? T power 2, because it must be less than 1 from s power. Okay, so since this is power 3, so the t power 2. Okay, in order to get t power 2, in order to get t power 2, that means you must modify this is 2 factorial divide by 2 factorial. So you must fabricate so that here we get t power 2. But in order to fabricate, don't forget to make sure you do not change the original form. Okay, so this become exponent 40. 2 factorial is 2. Now the whole is now t power 2. Settle. B. Okay, B. Laplace inverse of 4 divide s minus 3 power 2 plus 13. Okay, so you look at there is s minus 3. Before that, or if there is constant, just take out. You just take out the constant first, so that easy for you. Okay, next you look at here, Laplace inverse of 1 over s minus 3 power 2 plus 13. Okay, so you look at there is s minus 3. Since there is s minus constant, that means we must apply first shift. Okay, with A, what is our A? Now A is 3. So for we must apply first shift E3t. Laplace inverse, when you take out the exponential, when you write exponential, so the Laplace inverse become all the s minus 3 become s only. So s only power 2 plus 13. Okay, next. Okay, now you look at Laplace inverse 1 over s squared plus 13. What do you think? There is s squared plus constant. That means either cos or sine. But you must look at the upper one. At the upper, there is constant. That means it is sine. So what sine? Sine what? Depends on this. This must be 13. This is actually sine 13 square root 13. Okay, because 13 is actually square root power 2. So if you want to make this is sine square root 13t, so the upper must be square root 13 also. But don't forget, it must not change the original one. Oh my god, sorry. My tablet pen got problem, so it's make me difficult. So okay, so we already square root 13, so don't forget divide square root 13, because we cannot change the original form. We must get the same original. Okay, that's mean this is 4 over square root 13 A. Okay, so that's mean we get 4 over square root 13 A 3t. Now the whole is, this is sine square root 13 t. That's the answer.